We're going to determine the limiting reactant of this balanced chemical reaction. But before we discuss that, I want you to consider the following reaction. Please place your hands out in front of you like I have here. You have 5 slices of bread and 5 slices of meat. How many sandwiches can you make? The lowest whole number, please. Nobody's going to eat half a sandwich. You did that answer very quickly in your head. When you have 5 slices of bread and 5 slices of meat, you immediately combined them in a 2-to-1 ratio and got the lowest whole answer. The lowest whole answer. If you have 3 equivalents of this and 3 equivalents of this, what is the maximum amount of iron you could sell? We're going to do this in 2 methods, and in both methods, we're always going to pick the lowest answer. Pick the lowest answer. In the graphical setup, 3 equivalents of Fe2O3. Here is the before, and we have 3 equivalents of Fe2O3, and let's imagine we have an infinite amount of carbon. With 3 equivalents of Fe2O3, the most we could produce over here is 6 iron atoms, or 6 equivalents of iron to sell to customers. With 3 equivalents of carbon, let's assume we have an infinite amount of Fe2O3. Each carbon atom is going to produce a CO2. So each carbon atom can react and produce 3 CO2 molecules, liberating 4 iron atoms. The lowest answer is the correct answer. Just like with 5 slices of bread and 5 slices of meat, the lowest answer is the correct answer. That is using a graphical method. Now we're going to solve the same problem using scaffold method. We needed 2 cartoon images. We're going to need dose scaffolds to solve this problem. We have 3 equivalents of iron oxide and 3 equivalents of carbon. Here are our 2 scaffolds. In this next step, we're going to include the ratios from the balanced chemical reaction, always solving for iron because that's what we want to sell for a profit. It is a 2-to-4 ratio of iron oxide to iron. In our scaffold, we'll put the 2 from the balanced chemical reaction downtown, and the only place for this to go is up top. Words cancel. We do an identical, this answer here, 3 times 4 divided by 2. the exact same answer we got with our graphical method. When 3 of these ions reacted, it liberated 6 irons. For the carbon here, we use from the balanced chemical reaction what is necessary to make things cancel. Three times 4 is 12, divided by 3 is 4. That gives us 4 iron equivalents. The same answer we got from our second graphical method. 3 equivalents of carbon liberated 4 equivalents of iron. When considering both of the reactants, bread and meat, the lowest answer is the correct answer. Thank you.